Scope and shimmer, darkness in the mind. Boromir the man, but corrupted in a bind. Eyes on the prize, golem shadow in the soul. Lust for the one under Sauron's control. Mistress in the wind, black speech sneaking through. Fading from grace like it's something borrowed, not new. Heart heavy as mystical thoughts, sinister and vile. Power corrupting, illusions no longer mild. One ring calls, melodies, sweet poison. False deeper in, shadow self-rejoicing. Desires manifest in Rivendell's fall. Boromir's greed behind betrayal's cold wall. Mountains whisper secrets, darken the trail. Passions ignite, saga twisted in the gale. Strength fades to weakness, a halo of doom. In the heart of Gondor, corruption's full bloom. Sword hand trembling, resolve melting like wax. Friendships shattered under malevolent axe. The white tree weeps, leaves fall to despair. Boromir trapped in a dark lord snare. From white tower high to the shadow underfoot. Trends that coming change, hard distinctions put. Light flickers dim, hope dash on the stone. Man's sacred honor for power overthrown.